I have been teaching maths for 5 years. During our lesson, we will focus on specific learning objectives and goals that we have been previously discussed. This may include certain mathematical problems, solving practice problems, or understanding mathematical principles and prepare for upcoming exams and assessments. The focus will be on active learning, engaging activities, and clear explanations to ensure the comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. Additionally, we will address any questions or challenges that you may have to create a supportive and learning environment. In our lesson, we will use textbooks, customized worksheets, and some online resources to enhance the understanding and reinforce concepts. My students would describe my lessons as engaging and interactive to their individual needs. Overall, they would find the learning experience effective and enjoyable. I love teaching because it allows me to put a positive impact on the student's life by imparting the knowledge and the fostering a love for learning. Book a trial with me. Together, we will embark a personalized learning journey to achieve your academic goals and language. Let's make your learning journey engaging, effective, and enjoyable. Thank you for watching.